everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about how to generate job profit charge-wise report in Fresa application. Initially, you needed to log into the system, and after your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to Accounts module. Here we have to choose Job Reports to Accounts menu. In this page, we can find the variety of reports related to job profitability. We have to pick here job profit charge-wise report. In this page, we have to give the date range as required, and we have to pick here the charge for which we are going to see profitability. After filling of all the details, click on Submit button to view the report. So after your click, the report will get generated. Here you can find all the details regarding your job like organization number, sale voucher number, sale GL date, description, etc. So we can also download the report by clicking on options. Here we can see download button available to download the report. Now choose the format. So once after you click, the report will get downloaded. If we click on the report, then we can view the preview of the report downloaded as an Excel file. Hope now you got an idea on how to generate job profit charge-wise report in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.